Hello everyone, today I will show you how to open a Surface Pro 2.
The first step is to remove the screw holding the stand in place. This can be done with your normal run-of-the-mill Phillips head screwdriver. The next thing you need is a hairdryer and guitar or opening pick. Now you may be asking me, is this some kind of early April Fool's prank? It is not. Just trust me. Next up, aim it at the Surface Pro and turn it on its maximum heat. Wait 15 to 20 minutes and try opening it by sticking the pick into the small gap between the back of the Surface Pro and the front of the Surface Pro, aka the screen. It should glide through the screen with relative ease, even though you might come to some tricky sections. When those tricky sections do arise, turn the hairdryer back onto its maximum settings and aim it back at that area. Hopefully, it'll be slightly easier. You may have to push a little, but don't push too hard. And that's the end of this tutorial. If you follow this tutorial correctly, the screen should simply pop off and you should be able to start working on your Surface Pro, whatever the problem may be. Thank you guys for watching, and take care.